morning, dear children. Today we'll be learning about sun, moon, stars and the earth. Children, name the objects that you can see in the sky during the day and at night. Which is the brightest object that you can see in the sky during the day? Yes, during the day you see the sun. Which is the brightest object that you can see in the sky at night? Exactly, the moon and the stars. Which of these do you think is bigger? So children, today we are going to learn about sun, stars, earth and moon in detail. The sun and stars. The sun is a huge ball of fire. It is very far away from us. It gives us heat and light. Without the sun, the earth would have been very cold and dark. We would not be able to live on it. The stars are also huge balls of fire. In fact, the sun is also a star. It is the star closest to the earth. The other stars are very far away. That is why they appear so small. It will take a rocket thousands of years to reach the next nearest star. The earth. The sun, the moon and the stars are shaped like balls. The earth on which we live is also shaped like a ball. Do you find this difficult to believe? You feel it is flat because it is a very big ball. The men who went to the moon saw the earth from there. It looked like a big, round, shining ball. The moon. The moon is the smallest and the nearest object in the sky. But it is much further away than the clouds. The moon does not give out its own light. It shines when the light of the sun falls on it. Day and night. The earth spins round and round, but you cannot feel it going round and round. This is because everything on the earth goes round with the earth. The air also moves with the earth. Do you know that when it is day in India, it is night in America? When India faces towards the sun, America is facing away from it. Now, when the earth spins around, it becomes night in India and day in America. As the earth continues spinning, day and night follow each other. Night and day occur because the earth spins round and round. So children, today you have learned about sun, moon, stars and the earth. Thank you.